Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here. I'm in the Surrey countryside, looking forward to showing you around this lovely Kite pre-designed garden room. Completed around a year ago, just passing, so I thought I'd pop in and show you this. All the landscaping's now been done by a local company. It really is a lovely garden here now, and the pure sunshine, south facing. This is a really good building to show you the integrated blinds that are currently down and closed. The clients actually use it like that just to stop the heat getting in on the warmer days. On a day like today, you can really see that reflection. Really got a high-end quality, a bit of reflective quality, and you can understand how that holds the heat out. This particular Kite is the second smallest we do, 3.6 meters wide, which is the narrowest we go, but 3.1 meters deep. Little update on the side there with a full drop window on the side looking out onto the garden with the fan light set at the back, and inside just used as a multi-purpose family room. So let me take you inside. By opening the doors up, you do get to see how much light you would actually get from having all of the windows open, the integrated blinds up. We've seen that many times before, but that nice big 1.7 meter wide aperture works so well. Inside the room, fully completed by us. The clients were super delighted to decide to get us to paint it. They're just commenting on the quality of the finish in this room, and it really is lovely. Originally, when I met the clients about 2 years ago, this is going to be used as a ladies' lounge area, sewing meetings and things like that. But since then, the grandchild's been on the way. This has become a bit of a family den as well, and somewhere to escape and for little and to use in a nice space in the garden. And that's what I love, that multi-purpose use and evolving use as the family changes. So it's a really nice building. All the electrics, internet and everything fully completed by us. MTX to the side there, and the front with cement wall to the rear and the right. All the usual stuff from us. It is under the 2.5 planning rule. You've got the 10-year guarantee, zero maintenance, no timber on this building, completely zero maintenance, which means the client just can go and enjoy and use the building just like an extension of the property. So I hope that's of interest. That's our 3.6 by 3.1 Kite pre-designed garden room, fully completed by Baker's, internet, electrics and all of those elements. Integrated blind upgrade, which really worked well in this south-facing garden, and as a multi-purpose family room. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share what we do, and thanks for watching.